You've probably heard terms like, Bitcoin has a market cap of over $1 trillion, or this stock is a small cap company. But what exactly is market cap, and why does everyone care about it? Market capitalization, or market cap, is the total value of all the coins that have been mined or are circulating. In crypto, market cap is calculated by multiplying price of one coin by number of coins in circulation at any given time. Think of market cap like the size of a ship. Large cap cryptos are like big ships, more stable and steady in rough market conditions. Small cap cryptos, on the other hand, are like smaller boats. They can be rocked by the waves, sometimes sinking fast, but other times catching strong winds and soaring to new highs. Why is market cap important? Price alone isn't enough to measure a cryptocurrency's value. Investors use market cap to tell a more complete story and compare value across cryptocurrencies. As a key statistic, it can indicate the growth potential of a cryptocurrency and whether it is safe to buy compared to others. Example comparison. Let's compare the market cap of two fictional cryptocurrencies. Crypto A has 2 million coins at $1 each. That's a $2 million market cap. Crypto B has 500,000 coins at $2 each equals $1 million market cap. Even though Crypto B has a higher price per coin, Crypto A is actually worth double when you look at the total market cap. Market cap categories. Cryptocurrencies are classified by their market cap into 3 categories. Large cap cryptocurrencies are digital assets with a market capitalization of over $10 billion. These are typically the most established and widely adopted projects in the crypto space, like Bitcoin and Ethereum. They're seen as lower risk, with steady long-term growth and high liquidity, meaning you can easily buy or sell large amounts without issues. Mid-cap cryptocurrencies have market caps between $1 billion and $10 billion. They generally are considered to have more untapped potential upside, but also higher risk. Small cap cryptocurrencies have a market cap of less than $1 billion and are most susceptible to dramatic swings based on market sentiment. Market cap is a useful metric for comparing the total value of cryptocurrencies, but it is one piece of the puzzle. Always factor in market trends, volatility, and your own risk tolerance before investing. If this video made market cap simple and clear, please like this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss a crypto tip. Drop your questions or favorite crypto in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Curious how liquidity could make or break your crypto trades? Tap into our next video here and find out.